Week 2. Asian Cuisine, Mindful Diabetes Inc. Guide to Mindful Eating. As we venture into Week 2 at Mindful Diabetes Inc., our special 5-week series, Plant-Based Strategies for Health and Wellness, continues with an exciting foray into Asian cuisine. Building on the principles from the Cooking Up Health course at the University of Miami, this week's focus is on the versatility and the rich flavors of Asian dishes that align with our goals for diabetes management and Alzheimer's prevention. Week 2. The diverse tastes of Asian cuisine. This week, we embrace the aromatic and diverse tastes of Asia, a region known for its balance of complex carbohydrates, fibrous vegetables, and heart-healthy fats. We'll demonstrate how Asian dietary staples can be part of a balanced diet that supports cognitive function and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Discover how to create delectable Asian-inspired meals that are as good for your brain as they are for your palate. Mastering the art of mindful cooking, bulk and batch preparations. Emphasizing the concept of bulk cooking, we'll guide you through preparing meals that save time while maximizing nutritional value. We'll share tips on how to efficiently prepare and store ingredients, ensuring that you can enjoy wholesome Asian meals throughout the week with minimal effort. Join us as we continue to merge the joy of cooking with the science of healthy living. Our journey is not just about enjoying the global flavors that tantalize our taste buds, but also about making mindful choices that can safeguard our cognitive vitality for years to come. Get ready to stir-fry, steam, and sauté your way to wellness with Week 2 of our mindful eating adventure. Together, let's embrace the culinary traditions of Asia to enrich our diet and bolster our fight against diabetes and Alzheimer's. Why Asian cuisine? Asian cuisine offers a bounty of plant-based foods, rich in phytonutrients and antioxidants, which can contribute to a balanced diabetes microbiome. Ingredients like tofu, edamame, and a variety of fresh vegetables are central to Asian dishes, providing an array of nutrients that help regulate blood sugar and may offer protective benefits for cognitive health. Creating your Asian-inspired pantry. To embrace the health benefits of Asian cuisine, it's essential to curate a pantry that prioritizes balance, flavor, and nutrition. Stock up on fiber-rich staples. Asian diets are abundant in fiber-filled rice and noodles, which support a healthy gut microbiome. Choose brown rice and whole grain noodles to get the most benefit. Diversify with vegetables. Asian recipes often feature a medley of vegetables, which contribute to microbiome diversity. Leafy greens, bell peppers, and cruciferous vegetables like bok choy should be pantry regulars. Select healthy proteins. Tofu and edamame are excellent sources of protein that are low in saturated fat and high in fiber and essential amino acids, supporting both diabetes management and neuroprotection. Infuse flavor with spices and sauces. Traditional Asian spices and sauces not only enhance flavor but also bring health benefits. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, and fermented sauces like low-sodium soy sauce or miso can add depth to your dishes while fostering a healthy gut environment. As we explore the rich culinary traditions of Asia, remember that each meal is an opportunity to support both your physical and mental health. Join us this week as we continue our commitment to mindful eating, offering you recipes, tips, and inspiration to create meals that are not only delicious but also conducive to longevity and cognitive vitality. Building the essentials. Asian-inspired cuisine for Week 2. As we journey forward with Mindful Diabetes Inc., our second week is infused with the vibrant, diverse flavors of Asian cuisine. This series, Plant-Based Strategies for Health and Wellness, brings to light the adaptability of plant-based eating in managing diabetes and fortifying our body's defenses against type 3 diabetes, linked with Alzheimer's. Week 2. The versatility of Asian cuisine. This week, we invite you to immerse yourself in the aromatic and fresh ingredients that define Asian cooking. Known for its use of a variety of vegetables, legumes, and rice, Asian cuisine offers a treasure trove of dishes that align perfectly with a diabetes-conscious diet. We'll explore the art of bulk cooking, a smart way to save time while ensuring that you're prepared with nutritious meals throughout the week. Nourishing your microbiome with Asian flavors. Just as we curated a Mediterranean pantry last week, it's now time to adapt our shelves to the bold and nourishing elements of Asian cuisine. These ingredients not only promise a delectable culinary experience but also support a thriving microbiome, vital for diabetes management. Crafting your Asian pantry. To fully embrace Asian cuisine, let's focus on these pantry must-haves. Brown rice and whole grain noodles. Staples like brown rice, soba noodles, and whole wheat udon provide fiber and essential nutrients. Tofu and edamame. These plant-based proteins are versatile and packed with nutrients that support muscle health and blood sugar control. Fresh vegetables. Stock up on bok choy, broccoli, snap peas, and bell peppers for vibrant stir-fries and salads. Asian spices and sauces. Keep ginger, garlic, soy sauce, miso, and sesame oil on hand for authentic flavor with added health benefits. Your 2-day meal plan for a healthy diet. Day 1. A mindful beginning. Breakfast. Dive into a bowl of overnight oats mixed with the sweet tang of strawberries and the crunch of walnuts. Lunch. Stack up your favorite veggies on whole grain bread with a generous spread of hummus. Crunchy, creamy, and oh so satisfying. Dinner. Twirl your fork into an Asian stir-fry packed with veggies over a bed of quinoa and brown rice pilaf. Who said healthy can be delicious? Snack. Enjoy roasted pineapple for a snack. Its caramelized goodness will make your taste buds dance. Day 2. Nourishment continues. Breakfast. Warm up with cinnamon oatmeal. Add a side of juicy berries for a burst of morning freshness. Lunch. Roll into the afternoon with spring rolls stuffed with crisp veggies and tofu, dipped in a savory Asian sauce. Fresh, filling, and full of flavor. Dinner. For a cozy evening meal, savor stir-fried broccoli and edamame atop steamy brown rice. Simple, wholesome, and heartwarming. Snack. Mix it up with some trail mix and a sweet clementine. Quick, easy, and nutrient-packed bites to keep you going. Celebrating the Asian cuisine. Wrapping up our Week 2 adventure. As we conclude the second week of our enlightening series, we've ventured into the heart of Asian cuisine, exploring its unique contribution to healthful eating and diabetes management. This week, we've delved into a world where balance, variety, and flavor converge, showcasing the profound impact that Asian dietary practices have on promoting wellness and preventing disease progression. Incorporating tradition into modern wellness practices. Our journey through Pathways to Wellness has introduced us to the dynamic world of Asian culinary traditions, emphasizing fresh vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and the judicious use of health-promoting spices and herbs. This exploration reaffirms the principle that mindful eating goes beyond mere sustenance. It's a vibrant practice that nourishes the body, mind, and spirit. A fusion of flavor and well-being. As we move forward, we celebrate Asian cuisine as a source of culinary inspiration and a pillar of mindful, healthful living. The diverse flavors and ingredients of Asian cooking not only tantalize the taste buds but also serve as key allies in diabetes management and cognitive health preservation. Mindful Diabetes Inc. remains committed to unveiling the secrets of Asian cuisine, offering practical and delicious strategies to incorporate these principles into your daily life. Stay engaged with us for more culinary explorations in the weeks ahead. Each installment of our series will continue to enrich your understanding of how diet influences health, equipping you with the knowledge and skills to craft a life filled with flavor, balance, and vitality. Embark on this culinary journey with us, and let the rich tapestry of Asian cuisine inspire your path to wellness and joy.